everybody, Football Protocol. Today's video is a new little weapon I picked up, and I just couldn't help myself on this one. I'm more of a tactical black gun kind of guy, but I do have a soft spot for cowboy type pistols and rifles. I don't have a whole lot of them, but I just had to pick this up. It was absolutely beautiful, as you can see. This is a Henry Golden Boy in the .22 caliber. Absolute beautiful gun. It's got the walnut stock with the brass finish receiver, octagon barrel. Absolute beautiful gun. Haven't got to shoot it yet. Been real busy, but I couldn't really pass this one up. These go for around $400, and I just, like I said, I couldn't pass it up. It'll shoot 22 long rifle, 22 longs, 22 shorts, and 22 CBs. On the long rifle, it'll hold 16 rounds. On the shorts, it'll hold 21, and on the CBs, I think it'll hold 22. It's got the buckhorn rear sight, and just the fit and finish on this thing, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Let me put this camera on the tripod, and I'll give you a couple different views of it. This thing is really got some nice action to it. I can't wait to get it to the range. I basically bought this, I don't know, I've got some granddaughters that are growing up, and I think this would be a great rifle for them to start to learn how to shoot with. It's just, like I said, the action on it is just really nice. Another great thing about Henry firearms is it's 100% made in America, and you know, that's for sure hard to find these days. Quality rifle. It's got the front, it loads in the front. It's got the tube. There you can see. Let me get my big hand out of the way. Basically load it that way. Drop the your bullets down into this tube. But I thought I just wanted to show this off a little bit. Beautiful rifle. Would highly recommend it. You know, especially with those CBs. You know, you get little varmints out in the yard, and you live in the city. They don't hardly make any noise at all. It's about like a pellet gun. But anyhow, I thought you guys like to see this, and hope everybody has a great day. Thanks.